Hi, this is Tutors, and we are here to do a high school assessment. And the section we're working on is addition and subtraction of decimals. And the question requested by our students was number 10. Let's get into it. They want us to subtract the following decimals, right? So let's start with A. Let's see here. Remember, the rules are we can only subtract in the place value or add or subtract in the place value, which are the vertical columns that the numbers are in. So when we write the numbers down, we have to make sure we line up the decimals. So all the numbers are in the correct vertical columns when we're doing to ensure that their place values are correct. So what we're going to do this is column by column. Right, the first one we have is a 0 here, -3. We cannot take 0 from 3, so we're going to have to borrow a 1 from the next place value, which is where the 8 is. So we're going to take a 1 from there, place it here, and then 8 becomes a 7. So now we're saying we're subtracting 3 from 10, which gives us 7. And then we go ahead and subtract the next column, 5 from 7, which gives us 2. And 0 from 9, which just gives us 9. So our answer is 0.927. Okay, so let's do that again. Remember, if we have a 0, if we need a bigger number, we can always borrow a 1 from the next place value to the left. Right here, we have 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. So our answer is 270. That's 0.270. Okay, next one, we have 0 minus 2. We cannot do that. We have to borrow a 1 from the place value to the left, but the place value to the left is 0. So we go to the next left, which is 3. So we're going to borrow 1 from there, bring it here. That turns a 3 into a 2. So now we have a 10 here, and we borrow 1 from that 10. That turns a 10 into a 9. And now we have a 1 here, which turns this into a 10. So now it's 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 from 9, so 0 from 9 will give us 9. And 0 from 2 will give us 2. So our answer is going to be 0.298. Now let's do the next one. Here we need to subtract 9 from 0. That means we have to borrow 1 from the place value on the left. Well, the next one is a 0 as well. So we have to borrow 1 from the next place value on the left, which is a 2. So that becomes a 1. We move that one, the other one that we borrowed over here. This becomes a 9. So we borrowed that one. And now we have 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 1, 8 is 1. And now we have to borrow another 1 because we cannot subtract 7 from 1. So we borrow that one. Now we subtract 7 from 11. That's going to give us 4. And then we have 2 minus 0, which is 2. So our answer is going to be 2.411. Let's do the next one. We cannot subtract 8 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from the place value on the left. So this becomes a 2. We bring that one over. Now, 10 minus 8 is 2. Now we have to we can't subtract 9 from 2, so we have to borrow 1 again from the place value on the left. That becomes a 4. Bring the 1 over. So 12 minus 9 is 3. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So my answer is 2.232. A lot of 2's in that one. Okay, next one. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2, we cannot do that. So we go to the next place value on the left. That's 0. Gotta go to the next place value. Here we can borrow 1. That becomes a 5. This is now a 10. But we need to borrow 1 from that. So that becomes a 9. Next one's now a 10. Now we can go ahead and do the arithmetic. So 10 minus 2 is going to give us 8. 9 minus 3 is going to give us 6. And 5 minus 4 gives us 1. So our answer is going to be 1.68. 1.68 is our answer. Now we go to the next one, and we have a whole row of zeros here. That's fine. We just borrow. We keep going to the left until we find a digit that we can borrow from, which is here, the 7. So that's going to be 6. We bring that one there. Now we can borrow from that. That's going to be 9. We bring that one over here. Now we can borrow from that. That'll be another 9. Bring that one over here. So now 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 5 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. So our answer will be 3.426. Okay, now we do the next one. 3 minus 0 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So our answer is going to be 3.03. We go to I. 7 minus 8, we can't do that. We have to borrow. So we're going to go to the place value on the left, which is 3. Borrow that 1. And now we go 17 minus 8 is going to give us 9. And 2 minus 1 gives us 1. So our answer will be 1.9. And the last one, we cannot, it's trying to do 0 minus 2. We can't do that, so we have to borrow 1 from the place value on the left. So this becomes a 6, and that 1 comes over here. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 6, we can't do that, so we have to borrow 1 from place value on the left. So this becomes a 5, and the 1 comes over here. 11 minus 6 is 5. And then we have 5 minus 1 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 4.538. Okay, so I hope that helped. And if it did, please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue providing these helpful videos. And I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.